Let me see what's happening.
Good, good.
I'd like to begin by asking you to pardon my imperfect speech today. It's just that when I first met you, I didn't realize that I was meeting someone so special. See, due to the lack of spiritual insight at the time, I was unable to see what women of God truly looks like. But now that the veil has graciously been torn and the scales removed, I see her standing right before me. When I look at you, I see beauty, not just as the world portrays it, but as presented in Proverbs 31. A lady of noble character, who can find? She's worth far more than rubies. The man has full confidence in her. And she always faces tomorrow with a smile. And in as much as she is clothed in sparkling material of green and black, she is also clothed with strength and dignity. Yes, charm can mislead and beauty soon fades, but a woman who fears the Lord is worthy to be praised. That I wasn't there the moment you first learned to breathe, but I'm on my way. I wasn't there the moment you took your first step, but I'm on my way back. You know, I might not be the first face you see when you open your eyes each morning, but I'm taking one step closer to getting there. Kamuchai, Viola, Yvette, Samasuro, would you marry me?
Yes.
Pick up this gun.